I think there's nothing finer than having 100 men in a cathedral with a grand piano opened up and the organ with all its stops out, all giving it 100%. The hairs on your neck must stand up or there's something wrong with you.
When I retired, I felt I need to do something with myself, and I got talking to a friend of mine who said, "Why don't you come along and listen?" And I was sold on it immediately.
Mae'n bleser cael bod yn y cor, achos mae'r cor yn ddwyieithog. Ni'n canu'n Gymraeg, ni'n canu'n Saesneg. It's a choir that not only for us men who sing, but our partners are so welcomed as a vibrant ladies' committee.
New members are always welcome. The particular welcome they'll get from the choir is that they won't be joining just a body of singers. They'll be joining a great bunch of lads with a terrific support from the ladies group behind us, with a wonderful music team.
I came to a practice at Firevach and sat at the back, and they sang Fields of Athen Rye. I haven't got a lot of hair, but what hair I had made it stand up on the back of my neck. It was something special, and from that moment on, I was determined that I was going to sing in this choir.
Don't be concerned as to whether you can actually sing or not. Come along, give it a go. Yeah, you'll find plenty of support. There's a lot of people I've met that say that they can't sing at all, and yet they can. It's just a matter of being guided and put in the right direction.
Dwi wedi bod ma nawr yn aelod ers rhyw 10 mlynedd a mwynhau bob munud ohono fe.
It's not just about singing, it's about being part of a family and being able to take that family abroad, singing in the finest Welsh male choir tradition. Can't be better than that.